Welcome to the Great Garden channel. With 10 years of experience caring for orchids, I've realized one thing. To keep orchids healthy and blooming consistently, love alone isn't enough. You also need patience and the right care methods, gentle yet effective. Today, I will show you how to make a natural fertilizer using simple, easy-to-find ingredients that you likely already have at home. After a short time of application, you'll easily notice clear improvements. Roots. Many new roots emerge, with plump, healthy green tips that grip the growing medium more firmly. Leaves. Deeper green, thicker, and glossier leaves that feel firm and vibrant, with wrinkling and dullness significantly reduced. Flower spikes and buds. Strong development, evenly sized buds, and vigorous spikes. Signs that the plant is thriving and ready for a beautiful blooming season. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any useful orchid care tips from us. Let's get started. After cracking the eggs into a bowl, do you usually just toss the eggshells into the trash? Don't throw them away just yet. Eggshells can be fully used as a natural fertilizer that's very good for orchids. First, rinse the eggshells thoroughly under running water. This helps completely remove any leftover egg white and membranes on the shells, minimizing unpleasant odors when used. At the same time, thoroughly cleaning the shells also helps prevent bacteria and mold from developing during drying, storage, and later use. This way, the eggshells remain clean and safe, do not harm the orchid roots, and help the plants absorb minerals more effectively when applied as fertilizer. After rinsing, let the eggshells drain and then dry them under sunlight. Dried eggshells are easier to crush and allow the minerals to be released more effectively when used as fertilizer for the plants. Once the eggshells are completely dry, I crush them into small pieces or a fine powder. Crushing them into smaller pieces increases the surface area, allowing the calcium and minerals in the eggshells to dissolve more easily and be better absorbed by the plants, which in turn support strong roots, sturdy leaves, and healthier, more sustainable growth. After crushing the eggshells, I sprinkle them around the base of the orchids. This helps provide natural calcium to the plants, supports strong root development, strengthens the leaves and stems, and also improves the structure of the growing medium. Calcium from eggshells balances pH, prevents fungal infections, and strengthens roots, helping orchids grow healthy and bloom beautifully. Next, I put all the remaining eggshells into a clean glass jar. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Next, I use ginger as an ingredient to mix with the eggshells. Ginger is a natural antibiotic rich in antibacterial and antifungal compounds, helping prevent root rot, harmful fungi, and boosting the plant's resistance. I slice the ginger into small pieces as shown in the video. This increases the surface area of the ginger in contact with water, allowing its antibacterial and antifungal compounds, essential oils, and nutrients to be released more quickly and effectively. Then, add all the sliced ginger to the eggshells. Oats are the next ingredient I will use. Oats contain abundant complex carbohydrates, soluble fiber, beta-glucan, B-group vitamins, especially B1 and B5, and important minerals such as magnesium, phosphorus, iron, and zinc. I add a tablespoon of oats to the ginger and eggshells. Then, add 500 milliliters of hot water to make the solution. At this step, Stir well so the ingredients dissolve and release their nutrients into the water, forming a uniform solution ready for the next stages of use. Next, let the mixture steep for about an hour. This allows the nutrients from the oats, ginger, and eggshells to be fully released into the water, creating a solution rich in vitamins and minerals. After steeping for an hour, I strain out all the solids, keeping only the liquid extract. This liquid is a nutrient-rich solution containing minerals, vitamins, and natural compounds from the oats, ginger, and eggshells. He finally add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution. Now, the organic solution is ready to use. Let's apply it to the plants in the garden to help them grow healthy and strong. Method 1. First, I pour the diluted ginger oats eggshell solution into a watering can. Then, gently water around the base of the orchids so the solution slowly soaks into the growing medium and comes into direct contact with the roots. The oats provide natural nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that help young roots develop strongly, enhancing vitality and nutrient absorption. Eggshells supply calcium, supporting strong roots, reducing root rot, and helping leaves become thicker and sturdier. Ginger contains natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds that protect the roots from pathogens while also stimulating the plant's metabolic processes. You should water once a week. When the plant becomes stable and healthy, you can reduce it to once or twice a month to maintain balanced nutrition and support sustainable orchid growth. Method 2. Gently pour the prepared oats and ginger solution into a small cup. Then, use a soft cloth or cotton pad to gently soak up the solution and carefully wipe each side of the leaves. First, I wipe the leaves of the orchid. The oats and ginger solution helps remove dust, mineral residues, and long-term buildup on the leaves, while also supplying vitamins, minerals, and natural enzymes from oats. Ginger, with its natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, helps protect the leaves, reduce pathogens, and support healthy plant growth. As a result, the orchid leaves gradually become darker green, shinier, and better able to photosynthesize, maintaining stable vitality. When wiping, make sure to clean both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves so the nutrients can penetrate deeply into the leaf tissues. Doing this once or twice a week helps keep the leaves clean and healthy, allowing efficient nutrient absorption without causing waterlogging or damage to the plant. Pour the prepared eggshell, ginger, and oatmeal solution into a dedicated spray bottle, then gently mist it evenly over the entire plant, including the leaves, stems, roots, and leaf axils. Misting allows the natural nutrients from vitamin, mineral, and enzyme-rich oats, combined with the antibacterial and antifungal properties of ginger and the calcium-rich eggshells, to evenly coat the entire plant. This provides balanced nutrition, forms a gentle protective layer, and helps reduce harmful bacteria, fungi, and pests. You should spray once a week during the first month, then reduce it to once a month to maintain long-term effectiveness. After spraying, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes so the leaves and roots can absorb the nutrients. If water remains on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe it away with a soft cloth or clean cotton to prevent creating a favorable environment for fungal growth. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Once the leaves are completely dry, the plant is better protected, with a reduced risk of leaf and crown rot, while maintaining a healthy state with thick, glossy, vibrant green leaves. Results after 2 months. For orchids, the changes are very noticeable. Many new roots have grown, with plump, glossy green root tips, showing that the plants are absorbing nutrients from ginger, eggshells, and oats very well and are recovering strongly. A healthy root system is the key foundation for orchids to grow steadily and sustainably in the seasons ahead. The leaves have turned a deeper green, with a shinier and thicker surface. When touched, they feel firm and resilient, a clear sign that the plants are in excellent condition. New shoots emerging from the base are growing vigorously and full of vitality. In some pots, new flower spikes have begun to appear and are clearly growing taller, indicating that the plants are stable and ready for a vibrant blooming season. Each blooming flower is not only a display of natural beauty, but also a well-deserved reward for your patience and love for the garden. This gentle care method using ginger, eggshells, and oats not only keeps orchids healthy, but also brings positive changes to the entire garden. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss more simple yet effective plant care tips in future videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next video on the Great Garden channel.